What's going on, everybody? You're watching Fix by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to add Google Chrome shortcut here on your desktop so you can actually access Google Chrome quickly and seamlessly without wasting a lot of time by hopping into Start and searching here for Google Chrome manually. I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut on your desktop, and this is something that you can also do with other apps as well. Let's say that you have Opera Mini or any other browser which is different from Google Chrome. I'm going to show you how to do it as well because the steps are exactly the same. But do not forget, if you like my content, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Now, first things first, let's quickly hop into google.com and let's manually download Google Chrome. Okay, let's say that you do not even have Chrome installed in your laptop or in your Windows device. So first things first, in order to download it, we're going to search for Google Chrome download. There we go. So I'm running an Internet Explorer browser right now, and then here we go, download Chrome. Right in the very first option, we're going to tap here to download Google Chrome. Now ensure that you're downloading it from the official website here, which is offered by Google themselves. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to tap here on download Chrome, and in no time the setup will be downloaded into your laptop. There we go. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Download has started, and this will take a couple of seconds all the way to a couple minutes depending on your internet speed. Okay, it's only 11 megabytes. In my case, download has been completed and I'm ready to rock and roll with the setup. Now let me tap here on showing and closing folder just to locate the setup. There we go. I'm gonna close now my Internet Explorer real quick, and then I'm gonna either double tap on Chrome setup, or I can also right click and tap on open to launch the setup. Let me quickly install it into my computer so we can now understand how we can create the desktop shortcut. Let me tap on yes real quick, and in no time the progress bar of the installation will be filled. There we go. Let me just quickly close this, and it's downloading. In 1 minute everything will be set. There we go. We've got 10 seconds left here to complete the installation process. Let's be patient and let our computer do its thing. There we go. Download has been completed, and now it's just quickly installing it into our laptop device. There we go. Installation has been complete, and as of now I'm simply going to close Google Chrome, and I'm going to show you how to add the shortcut to desktop. So right now it has been added to my desktop automatically, but I'm gonna delete this just for showcase purposes in here, and I'm gonna do it again from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to add it in here. Now we already have Google Chrome installed, and as you can see, whenever I open up Start, I'm able to see Chrome right here. Now if you're unable to see Chrome over there, you can manually search for Chrome or Google Chrome, right? So you'll be able to find the app in here, and the next thing you need to do is simply tap on Open File Location. Alternatively, you can also right click here within the app itself and tap on Open File Location to locate that specific file. Now once you've already located that specific file, it's very easy. All you need to do is simply right click here on Google Chrome, and then simply tap on Show More Options and simply tap here on Create Shortcut, right? Next up, you simply need to tap in here on Yes to add the shortcut or to be placed to desktop instead. Tap on Yes and you'll be good to go. We already have the shortcut here on desktop. Alternatively, you can also right click and simply tap on Copy and then close this and simply paste it here on desktop. But I would recommend you performing the very first method, which is to create a shortcut instead of manually copying and pasting in here. But just in case you're unable to create a shortcut, you can also copy and paste it here. And this is the same process with any other app here that you wish to copy all the way to your desktop. I hope you found this content useful, and if you found some value out of this content, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.